Hey guys, in this video we are going to checking out top 5 best digital microscope review in the market. I made this list on my personal opinion and our research. I have a list of them based on their quality, feature, durability, price, and more. If you want more information and updated price on the products mentioned, be sure to take the link in the description down below. Also make sure you subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon to stay update latest technology review. So let's get started. Number 5. Huile MG1200A Digital Microscope. This Huile digital microscope is a powerful and user-friendly tool perfect for soldering, PCB inspection, and electronics repair, equipped with a 7-inch HD LCD display. It provides a clear and detailed view, eliminating the need for an external monitor. The 12MP high-definition sensor captures sharp images and smooth videos, making it ideal for both professionals and hobbyists with a magnification range from 1x to 1200x. This microscope allows for continuous zoom, ensuring you see even the smallest details with precision. Made from durable aluminum alloy, it offers stability and durability for long-term use. Whether you use AC or DC power, it's versatile and convenient for different work environments. This portable high-definition digital microscope is an excellent choice for detailed inspections, soldering work, and educational purposes. A must-have for precision tasks. Number 4. Andenstar AD210 Digital Microscope. This Andenstar digital microscope is a versatile high-definition tool designed for electronics repair, PCB soldering, and detailed inspections. Featuring a large 10.1-inch adjustable LCD screen, it provides crisp real-time imaging, making it easy to observe intricate details without straining your eyes. With a 260x magnification and a 2-megapixel HD sensor, this digital microscope captures sharp images and smooth videos at up to 30 frames per second. The 1080-pixel resolution and 12-megapixel photo capability ensure high-quality results for professional and hobbyist use. Built from durable metal, the stable stand keeps it steady during work, reducing shakes and improving accuracy. Powered via USB 5 VDC, it's portable and convenient for any workspace. It meets high safety and quality standards. Whether you're a technician, jeweler, or researcher, a reliable, user-friendly choice for precision work. Number 3. Rivka DM9 Digital Microscope. This Rivka digital microscope is a high-precision tool designed for professionals and hobbyists who need detailed magnification for electronics repair, soldering, circuit board inspections, and more. With a powerful 1200x magnification, it provides crystal-clearer HD imaging, allowing you to see intricate details with ease. Equipped with 10 LED lights, this microscope ensures consistent brightness for accurate viewing, even in dim environments. Its USB connectivity allows easy connection to a computer or display for real-time observation. The aluminum alloy construction provides durability and stability, making it a reliable tool for long-term use. Our IVBCU digital microscope is a versatile and professional-grade device with high-definition imaging, powerful magnification, and user-friendly operation. Whether you're a technician, student, or DIY enthusiast, this portable and durable microscope is a must-have for precision work. Number 2. ANSOC 351, a digital microscope. This ANSOC 10.1-inch HDMI digital microscope is a high-performance tool designed for electronics repair, PCB inspection, and coin examination. With an impressive 2000x magnification, it provides crystal-clear details, making precision work easier. The 10.1-inch HD display ensures a large and sharp view, reducing eye strain. Equipped with a 12-megapixel camera and 10 adjustable LED lights, it captures high-quality images and videos even in low light conditions. This multifunctional digital microscope can be used for industrial inspection, watch and cell phone repair, coin identification, animal and plant observation. It is very suitable for circuit board repair, coin collectors, and people who like to explore the microscopic world. The coin microscope is equipped with a 2.4G remote control, which allows you to easily control the microscope from a distance. It also does touch control. The metal-built base, stand and holder provide a more stable environment for touch control and repairing items. Number 1. HAVE DM9 Digital Microscope. This HAVE 7-inch digital microscope is a high-performance 1200x zoom electronic microscope perfect for soldering, phone repair and detailed inspections. With its 12-megapixel HD camera and 7 inches display, it delivers crystal-clear images, making small details easy to see. The adjustable magnification 500x by 500x ensures precision for various applications from circuit board repairs to jewelry examination. Built with a durable aluminum alloy frame, this portable and handheld microscope is sturdy and long-lasting. It's easy to use, featuring a monocular draw tube and video recording capability for capturing important details. With CE, FCC and RoHS certifications, you can trust its quality and reliability. Whether you're a professional technician, hobbyist, or educator, the HAVE DM9 Digital Microscope is a great tool for precision work. Digital microscope is a great tool for precision work.